Put toothpaste on your feet, and the next day, you won't believe the results. Manicurists don't want you to know about this, but today, I'll tell you. In this video, I'll teach you 2 powerful tips with toothpaste that will surely change your life. For the first tip, let's put 3 tablespoons of salt in a container. We'll use salt because it helps prevent problems in the nails and skin around the nails. It also prevents and eliminates fungus formation. Another ingredient we'll use is toothpaste, of which we'll use just 1 tablespoon. And you can use any toothpaste you have at home. Now, let's mix it very well. And this mixture we're preparing, you can use it on both your hands and feet. Because toothpaste helps eliminate yellow stains on the nails, those stains that are often caused by nail polish, or by the constant use of tight shoes. The other ingredient we'll use is coconut oil. Let's add just 1 tablespoon and then mix well. If you don't have coconut oil at home, you can replace it with olive oil. Coconut oil helps with nail formation, as it makes the nails grow strong and healthy. When everything is mixed very well, just apply the mixture directly to the nails. Let's apply it gently, like this. If you use this constantly, you can enjoy strong, moisturized, and very beautiful nails. And the best part is that this will happen in just a few days. After applying it to the nails, you should leave this mixture on for 10 minutes without removing it. And in a few days, you'll see the excellent results caused by this powerful mixture. The next tip will help you eliminate the cracks that form on your heels. For this, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to a container. Then, also add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of moisturizer of your choice. It will help provide greater nourishment. And finally, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then, mix very well until you get a homogeneous paste. This potent mixture will bring you a definitive solution for dry and cracked feet. Apply it like I'm doing, with gentle circular massages, and from the first application, you'll already notice a big difference in your feet, as this recipe completely renews them. And this is due to the components of toothpaste. It also helps eliminate bacteria on the feet, which is the main reason for bad odor. That's why I invite you to try it today. I guarantee you'll love the results. Which of the 2 tips did you like the most? Everyone, take care and see you tomorrow.